You have now tuned into another Jess for TV production.
What's up guys, it's Jess for TV back on your screen with another video. A cooking video, that is. So if you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay a while. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I whip up some bang bang tacos.
Bow, 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 bow.
You guys, these tacos are so good. This bang bang shrimp is so good. It's a great imitation if you don't want to go out to a good restaurant to get some. You can make it right in the confines of your own home, and it's probably going to be just as good, I promise you, especially if you follow my recipe. All right guys, so if you want to see how I get this popping, keep watching. Keep watching. Okay, so guys, I'm going to start by adding all my dry ingredients so that I can batter my shrimp. Okay, so here I am adding some flour. I'm going to add some cornstarch as well. And I'm really just adding enough to just make sure that all my shrimp are covered. I'm going to add some seasoning salt, some pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some paprika just for coloring, and some parsley just because it looks nice. And then I'm going to mix all of these together and set it to the side and start to prepare my shrimp. So here I am just taking the shell and the tails off of all of my shrimp. I'm just basically showing you guys how it's easy to do if you start to peel the shell from the body first and then pinch the tail, and it all just comes off in one smooth motion. So now that I've gotten all the shells and the tails off each of the shrimp, I'm going to be rinsing them in some cold water just to get that slimy residue off. Also, I was feeling around just to make sure I got everything off of each shrimp. So now I'm going to drain the shrimp and set them aside to be battered in my dry batter. And I'm going to wash my hands thoroughly just to get all that rawness off of them. So now I'm going to be adding my vegetable oil to my pot, and I'm adding just enough so once the shrimp are frying, they are covered. And I'm going to let that heat up, and I'm going to start seasoning my shrimp with some pepper, some salt, and some seasoning salt, just to make sure it's like thoroughly seasoned and has good flavor. I'm going to mix that all together, and I'm going to start battering my shrimp. And then I'm going to lay them on this rack that's right next to my dry ingredients, just because I find that if you let the shrimp actually dry out with the batter on it, once it fries and once you're done frying them, the casing or the batter is actually really crispy. And as you can see here, I'm just shaking off the excess dry ingredients and just laying all the shrimp out on this rack to dry. And usually once the oil is ready to go, these shrimp are ready to go. So now that my oil is nice and hot and at good temperature, I'm going to start to fry my shrimp. And I'm adding about maybe 6 or 7 shrimp to the pan, I believe. Just because I don't want to overcrowd it, and I really just want them all to cook evenly. So while that batch is frying, I'm going to continue to just batter the rest of the shrimp. so now that these are nice and golden brown, I'm going to remove them from the frying oil and just put them in a strainer with a paper towel in it. I find that anything with holes or any type of rack actually just helps with the cooling process and just also keeps your shrimp nice and crispy. Okay guys, so while my next batch of shrimp is frying, I'm going to go ahead and mix up my bang bang sauce. You just need some mayonnaise, some sweet Thai chili sauce, and some sriracha. And again guys, I'm just eyeballing this. Whatever your fancy, if you like it more spicy, add more sriracha. If you like it, you know, in the middle, just add more sweet Thai chili. You can add as much mayonnaise as you like. If you like them like super duper coated, then, you know, mix up a bunch. If you only like a little bit and you just want to drizzle, then mix up a lot less. So now that my bang bang sauce is to my liking, I'm just going to put this in the refrigerator until the shrimp are all done. Okay guys, so now that all of my shrimp are done, I'm going to use these soft tortilla bowls and start to build my bang bang shrimp tacos. I'm going to use this premium slaw blend, which is actually a really robust lettuce and really holds up against the batter of the shrimp. I'm going to add my coated shrimp to the top of the lettuce and also drizzle a little bit more of the bang bang sauce on top. And you guys, these tacos were so good, as you can tell by how I was eating them. Like, oh my god, like I crushed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you try this recipe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.